Both the United States and Canada have a long history of bringing together independent-minded business people. The North American Steel Alliance, NASA, carries on this proud tradition. Since 1996, NASA has been a member-owned purchasing cooperative that brings together some of the finest metal distribution service centers in North America. In a time of corporate takeovers and global domination, NASA member-owner companies continue to operate as an independent business dedicated to big service. They can handle accounts ranging from small manufacturers to Fortune 500 companies. In 1996, independently owned steel service centers from Canada and the United States banded together to form the industry's first cooperative. Since its inception, the cooperative has developed programs with over 50 suppliers to position NASA members to better compete while delivering millions of dollars in savings on metals, equipment, services, and consumable goods. Today, NASA consists of 120 steel service centers with over 340 distribution and processing facilities across North America, from small towns to big cities. NASA is there where and when you need them. As a cooperative, NASA ensures its members can access premium metal products from North American producers. Above all, the North American Steel Alliance promotes a balance of independence and accountability. Wholly dedicated to their customers, the NASA community is extremely accessible and responsive. When customers have an issue with an order or need special service, it's a simple matter of picking up the phone and asking to speak to the owner. Try getting that level of assistance from a big box company. NASA has partnerships with metal producers and suppliers throughout North America, which enables it to service customers anywhere in Canada and the United States. NASA member companies located across all of North America are providing North American products to their local U.S. and Canadian customers. To find a NASA Steel Service Center, visit us online at www.steelalliance.com.